Hello everyone. Today we are diving into another interview question that was asked in the L2 round at Raja Software. The question is very simple to finding Armstrong numbers. However, there is a twist. We need to find the Armstrong number within the given range. So the given range is 100 and to up to 999. We will tackle this question step by step. By the end of the video, you will not only how to find the Armstrong number efficiently, but also gain insight into optimizing your code for better performance. But before we begin, make sure to visit our playlist and subscribe our channel for more insightful videos and the latest updates. Also, don't forget to check our website, that is codewitharrays.in, for details on all projects. So now let's jump into the question. So let's start the question. So before writing the program, we will know what is Armstrong number. So when we do a cube of every digit, that is from the given number, and that cube summation is equal to the given input number, then we will say that number is a Armstrong number. So the given number is 153 and the cube of 3 is 27, then the cube of 5 is 125 and the cube of 1 is 1. And when we add all these three, our sum is become 153 and our uh, given number is 153. So when these are equal, then we will say that number is a Armstrong number. So for that we will return one code. So first we will define a class. In class we will define a method. In method we will take an input and initialize the value, that is 153. After that we will write down a method. So the method name is Armstrong, and we will pass that number. And now we will write down this method in the class. So the public static void is Armstrong int num. So we want the summation. For that we will take one variable int sum, and we will initialize value is 0. Then we will store that number in the temp variable. So take a temp variable and store that number. So int temp equals to num, and we will take one while loop. While num is not equals to 0, in that first we need a one reminder. So for that we will take reminder variable int reminder equals to num modulus of 10, and by this we will get the first digit. After that we want to add that sum. So the sum equals to sum into, we will do the cube. So for that reminder into reminder, and now we will reduce our number. So we will take num equals to num divided by 10. So in first iteration, so the sum become 27, After that, here number became 15, and when in second iteration when we go, so 15 not equals to 0, so the condition is true, and that time 15 modulus of 10, so our answer is 5. And after that our sum becomes 125 plus 27, and here our number is reduced to 1, and 1 is not equals to 1, and that time the 1 modulus of 10, that is 1, and then the sum becomes plus 1, so it will become a 3, 153. After that 1 modulus of 10, that is 0, and now our while loop breaks. So after while loop break we will define if condition. So if temp variable, that is our in original value, is equals to sum, then we will print system dot out dot println number is Armstrong, and else we will print system.out.println number is not Armstrong. So now we will run the program, and you can see number is Armstrong. If I change the number, suppose I change in the number 154, and now I run the program, so you can see number is not Armstrong. Okay, so we will satisfy our first condition. Now the second condition is to find the Armstrong number between 100 to 999. So for that we will define another method. So the method name is print Armstrong number in a range, and we will pass the two arguments, that is 100 and 99. After that we will write down that method name. So public static void print Armstrong. So we will take in start, and the second argument name is int end. So before that we will use this Armstrong number in our second to find the number is Armstrong or not. For that we will change in our first program. So we will change in our this program. So for that we will take a boolean value, so boolean in Armstrong, and we will simply remove this, and here we will return temp equals to sum, and we can write down here if is Armstrong number, then print system.out.println that is Armstrong number, and else system.out.println not Armstrong, In this, we will take one CSO statement. So the system dot out dot println, and we will write one heading. So the Armstrong number between give start, and now we will take a one for loop, and in this we will use our first method. So for that we will take the initial value is starting, so int I equals to start, and our condition is I less than or equals to up to end, and we will increase the value. In that we will take one if condition and check the number is Armstrong or not. For that we will use our this method. So if is Armstrong of I, then simply print system dot out dot println of I, and else we will return no, we will not return because we use void statement. So our program is now okay. So now we can run our program. So when we run our program, you can see our output is correct, and we will get these values, and we will satisfy our both the conditions. So you can try this question at your own and prepare well for your interview. This question is asked in many interview, and especially focus on this second condition that will be asked in many interview. And don't forget to subscribe our channels for more videos and latest updates. Up till now, thank you so much.